Hi, this is Collar of Sublime Trading. This is the weekend video analysis for stocks. So we have one UK stock to look through today, and the rest are all US stocks. So the UK stock we are looking at is Games Workshop Group. We can see on the monthly time frame we have a nice strong uptrend, and price is above last year's high. On the weekly time frame, price is above the 50 simple moving average and the 200 simple moving average, and again looking nice and bullish. On the daily time frame, price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. We saw price bounce off the 50 simple moving average and continue higher, so all we need to do now is wait for price to break out above this point. This one on Friday, the bar did actually spike above, but it didn't close. So we want price to actually close above this high before we can look for any longer opportunities. So over to the US markets now. We are first looking at Apple. On the monthly time frame for Apple, price is looking nice and strong, and price is above last year's high. Last month, August, was a nice strong month. So far, we are halfway through September. So far, the bar is red, but this may change by the end of the month. So we want price to continue to make new highs. On the weekly time frame, price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. On the daily time frame, price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. Price is making higher highs and higher lows. We've seen a recent pullback, but price is looking like it's gaining strength again, so we're just waiting for price to actually break and close above this level before we can look for more long opportunities. The next one we have up is Adobe Systems. Monthly time frame is showing a nice strong trend to the upside, and price is way above last year's high, so looking nice and strong for now. Weekly time frame, price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, and on the daily time frame, price is also above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. Price is looking strong. The next round number is $300, which may cause resistance. Next stock up is for MasterCard. MasterCard is also above last year's high, and again another strong looking stock. Price recently broke through the $200 round number with ease and hasn't looked back since. Going to the weekly time frame now, price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, and on the daily time frame, price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages and looking strong. After price pulled back here to around the $200 level, which it used as support, price has continued to the upside, so we just need to wait for a break and close off the previous high. Next stock we are looking at is Microsoft. Microsoft is another strong looking stock, and price is above last year's high and also above the $100 round number. Weekly time frame, price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, and as you can see, we've seen a nice trend on the weekly time frame as well. Daily time frame, price is also above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. Bit of consolidation around here, but price is still making new highs, and once we get a breaking close of this high, then we can look for long opportunities again. Next stock is Nike. Now Nike is above last year's high, also above the $80 round number, and still looking strong. Weekly time frame, price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, and daily time frame, price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. I did analyze this during a week and did mention how price had gapped down due to negative news in the press, but as you can see, price has gained strength and continued to the upside. So all we need to do here again is wait for a break and close above the previous high before taking any trades. Last stock we are looking at today is World Wrestling Entertainment. Now price is looking very strong on the monthly time frame, a lot of green bullish bars. Weekly time frame, Price is above the 50 simple moving average and also the 200 simple moving average, and again looking strong here on the weekly. Daily time frame is showing price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. We have the $90 round number not too far above, which may cause resistance for price. So we need to at least wait for price to move above the $90 round number before we can look for any long opportunities. Thank you for watching. I hope you got a lot from this weekend video analysis. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we will be analyzing stocks during the week and over the weekends.